Good morning, friends. Today we will start our next chapter, which is directional reference compass. So, first of all, I will tell you what is magnetic compass. So, the error on the magnetic compass is called compass error. Compass error is error between or the angle between compass north and true north. That's and now what is true bearing? True bearing is the angle at the ship between the geographical north and the object which we are seeing from our ship. And what is compass bearing? Compass bearing, it is a angle at the ship from the compass north and the object which we are seeing from our ship, and the angular difference between the true north and compass north is called compass error. So now there is a way to solve numericals on this chapter. So in which we have to remember that whenever error is east, then the compass will be east, and when error is west, compass will be west. Means compass value will be high. Compass bearing will be more than true bearing. So let's suppose here is our ship, and this is true north, and there is another object. So the angle between true north and the object which we are seeing from our ship, then make a line of sight, then this angle will be true bearing. Similarly, and suppose here is compass north, then the angle between compass north and the object which we are seeing from our ship is called compass bearing. And what is compass error? It is the difference between compass north and true north. Okay, let's start the new exercise. So let's start the exercise 2, compass error. So in question number 1, we have given true bearing, compass bearing and compass error we have to find out. So you have two ways to find the solutions. First one is that conversion method, in which error east is compass east, error west then compass west. And another one method is diagram method, which I will tell you. And according to me, you should approach the diagram method. It will be easier for you. So we will do the question from both types, from both ways. So in first part, let's do. So here compass bearing is more than true bearing. It means compass is best, so error will be west, and the difference between both of them is 1 degree. So hence compass error will be 1 degree west. So compass error will be 1 degree west. Now another one method is diagram method. So let's make a diagram. True bearing is 275 degree. So it will be something like that here. Here is true north, here is object, and the angle between both of them is true bearing. And similarly, we know compass bearing is 276. Same object. So where will be 276? Till here is 275, and if we go 1 degree behind, here will be compass north. And we know what is compass error. It is difference between or angle between true north and compass north. And what will be it? This wall is 276 or compass bearing, and this wall is 275. So this gap will be 276 minus 275, that is 1 degree, and compass north is west side of the true north, so here error is same. Now in second question, true bearing is 126 degree and compass bearing is 124 degree. True bearing 126, compass bearing 124, and compass error. Here compass bearing is lesser than true bearing. It means compass is least. So we know when compass is least, so error will be east. So you know error will be east. And by how much? So we make the difference 126 minus 124, that is 2 degree. So answer is 2 degree east. So same question we will do it by diagram method for easier understanding. Here is true north. True bearing is 126 degree, so it will be some like here. Just suppose it. True bearing, this is true bearing. Compass bearing 124. So 124, so it will be somewhere like that here. Compass north. This is compass bearing. So what is compass error? Difference between both of them, or angle between both of them. So it will be 126 minus 124. So it will be 2 degree. And we know compass north is east side of the true north. So error will be 2 degree east. Same like that. So now in third question, we have true bearing 1 degree, compass bearing 350 degree, and we have to find out compass error. So if in this question you apply conversion trick like error east compass lead, error west compass west, then in some time you will get confused in examination. So it is better to use the diagram method, so that you will not have to mock up anything and you will do these questions correctly in your examinations. So this is the situation, and for me I will do this question by diagram method, because it is better to do it from that way. So here is true bearing 1 degree. So let's make it proper diagram. You should, and I will say to all of you that you should also give this question a type cut. And if you take my suggestion, then I would like to say that you should follow the diagram method, because it is better. You have not to mug up anything. So let's take the true north here, and we have true bearing of 1 degree. So it will be some like here. Object is here. This is true bearing. And we know compass bearing is 350. And you have to assume where will be compass north. And we always take the direction clockwise. So if compass north is somewhere like that, and then you measure this angle from here to object, then it will be approximately 350 degree. You have to just assume where it will be, the angle where it make this one. So this wall is 350 degree, and we have to find out the angle between true north and compass north. True north and compass north. So how will we find out it? First, you know this one is 1 degree, okay, and what will be this remaining angle? This is 360 minus 350 degree, then we will get this 10 degree, and 10 degree plus 1 degree equal to 11 degree, and compass north is east of the true north, so error will be 11 degree east. And so fourth, fifth are easy one, you can do it by yourself. And we will now move to next questions. Moving ahead, we have given true bearing, compass error, and we have to find out compass bearing. So we will solve it by making a diagram, but there is another way also whether in which you can find out how to get these values. Like we know error is compass least, error west compass best, but I will tell you that the diagram method is best, because here you have not to mug up anything in, whereas in this trick which is error east compass least, error west compass west, you have to mug up. So I will, according to me, you should know how to solve it by the diagram. It will be easy for you. So in this question we have given true varying 265 degree and compass error 16 degree east. So if we solve it by the trick conversion method, which is if compass if error is east, then compass will be least. So here error is east 16 degree, it's mean compass will be least. So we will subtract 16 from 265 degree. We have given true varying 265 degree, compass error of 16 degree east. So if you do compass is error east compass least, then error is east compass bearing will be least. So 265 minus 16. So if you solve it, then we will get 249 degree. So, and if you do it by diagram method, then it will be something like that. True bearing we have given 265, it will become here something. Okay, this is true north and here is object, so it will be true bearing. And compass error is 16 degree east, it's mean 16 degree east, so it will be, compass north will be here, this is 16 degree east. So we have to found compass bearing, which is compass bearing will be this. So how we will get this? We will get this by, this is true, when we subtract true bearing minus this is compass error, so it will be same as 249 degree. Now seventh part, we have given true bearing 136 degree, compass error 12 degree west. So if we will do error west then compass west, it's mean compass value will be high, so we will add 136 plus 12, which will be 148 degree. Now by diagram how we will do it. Seventh question, true bearing equal to 136 degree, compass error is 12 degree west, this is 12. So by diagram 136 degree, it will be here something, object true north, true bearing, compass error is 12 degree west, means compass north will be here, this is error, compass error 12 degree west. So what will be compass bearing? It will be from here to here, means true bearing plus compass error. So same we will get compass bearing equal to 136 plus 12, which will be 148 degree. Now moving to 8th part, true bearing is 1 degree, compass error is 2.5 degree east. So compass bearing, for compass bearing, so if we do here compass error east equal to compass least, so true bearing 1 degree, error is 2.5 degree east. So when we subtract 2.5 from 1, then it will be in negative, but we know backside of 1 degree is 360 degree, means 1 degree, 0 degree, 0 degree equal to 360 degree, and back that 359, 358. So we will subtract in that manner. Whenever you have such questions, then you have to add 360 degree in 1 degree or whatever given here. So 1 degree plus 360 equal to 360 1 degree, and error is 2.5 degree. So compass will be best, error is compass will be least. So subtracting this from it, we will get compass bearing equal to 358.5 degree. And if you do it by diagram method, then it will be easy for you, cause here in compass is error list, you will get confused. So in diagram, true north, object is here, true bearing 1 degree, compass error is 2.5 degree east, 2.5 degree means here is compass north, this is compass error 2.5 degree east. And now you know what is compass bearing, distance from compass north to object. So we will not go from here to here, we will go from here to here. Okay, so how we will get this? This is 1 degree, this is 1 degree, this hole is 2.5 degree, and from here to here is 360. So we have to find out this whole thing and subtract this term. So first of all, 2.5 minus 1, we will get 1.5, this is 1.5, and 360 minus 1.5, we will get 358.5. So this is how you can solve these questions. So now we will move to 11th, 12th and 13th part. Rest of the question you have to do it by yourself. In 11th question, you have given compass bearing, compass error, and you have to find true bearing. So here error is west. So you know when error is west, compass bearing will be best. So means true bearing will be less than compass bearing. So we will subtract 6 from 1 to 7. So we will get 1 to 1 degree. True bearing will be 1 to 1 degree. 11th question, true compass bearing. Compass bearing is compass error 6 degree west, error west, compass best. So true bearing will be 127 minus 6, cause it will be less than compass bearing. So it will be 1 to 1 degree. And if you do it by diagram method, then compass error is 6 degree west. So means compass here is true north. So compass north will be 6 degree west. Compass north here, this is 6 degree west, and compass bearing is 127 from here to here, something here. Here is object, this wall is 127 degree, and we have to find this angle, this is true bearing. How we will get this? We will get this by subtracting 6 degree from this wall, which is 127. So true bearing will be 1 to 1 degree. So similar for 12th question, compass bearing 350 degree, compass error 14 degree east. So here error is east, so error east, compass least, compass bearing least. So mean compass bearing will be lesser than true bearing. So for true bearing we will get 350 plus 14 degree, which will be 350 plus 14, 360 plus 4 equal to 4 degree. So this will be 364, but minus 360, it will be 4 degree. So here you will get confused, so that's why I am saying you have to do it by diagram method. So we will make diagram. Compass bearing 350 degree, compass error 14 degree east. 14 degree east means compass north is here, true north here. 14 degree east, 14 degree east, this is 14 degree. Compass bearing is 350 degree, means from here to 350 will be here something. Here is object, so we have to find out here this value. This is true bearing. How we will get this? We will get this by, so means from here to here is 350 degree, so means this area is 10 degree. So when we subtract compass error minus 10 degree, we will get true bearing. This minus this, it is true bearing. So true bearing will be 4 degree. That's all. So now you have to do 13, 14, 15 by yourself. All these questions are easy. So I will meet you in next chapter. Bye.